Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everyone! Oh my gosh, summer's over.
It is?
Summer's over.
It is. Our kids are back in school.
He's happy. I cried a little bit, but he loves a schedule.
I do.
Love a schedule.
I do love a schedule.
And now we're on a schedule.
We're back, baby.
No more summer loosey-goosey. This one has been working really hard on the website.
I have. I've been working all summer making new recipes for you guys. I actually just got done doing a maple syrup series.
A maple syrup series.
A maple syrup series. And I did 2 sweet treats, maple oatmeal cookies, maple apple bars, and a really good maple mustard sheet pan chicken recipe. Yeah, and the maple syrup series kind of brings us to what we're doing today.
Tell us, Josh, what are we making today?
Today we're making pancake and sausage on a stick.
Josh, what was your inspiration for this recipe?
Well, I was thinking along the lines of maple syrup. So, although this doesn't have maple syrup in the recipe, you dip it in maple syrup, right? And I used to have these pancake sausages as a kid, the ones on a stick, and I loved them so much.
And it's back to school time, and these are easy breakfast recipes. Can't you make them ahead of time?
Yeah, you make a whole bunch ahead of time, put them in the freezer, and then when you're ready, just put them in the microwave for a few seconds, and you have a delicious breakfast on the go, ready to go.
Let's do it!
Here's what you'll need to make the pancake and sausage on a stick. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is prepare your sausage. Now you can use pork sausage, turkey sausage, you can use the frozen kind or the uncooked kind. It's whatever you want, just as long as
No judgment.
No judgment, you can get it done however you want to. Just cook it according to the directions on the package.
So our sausage has been cooked.
Yep.
Now what do we do, Josh?
Okay, so now it's time to dredge the sausage.
Dredge it.
Yes, Angela, dredge the sausage.
I don't even know what that means.
Okay, so we're gonna be frying these pancakes on a stick, okay? So we're gonna dredge the sausage in flour so it retains the moisture when you fry it.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to add the sausage to the flour,
Ooh, hey.
get it all coated,
Okay.
and then we're gonna take one of our wooden sticks, put the stick inside the sausage, all right? And just go until you're almost at the end, okay? You don't want to go through the sausage on the other side,
Okay.
but just so it's on there like that,
Okay.
and that's pretty much it.
Okay. Ew, it's so slimy.
I know.
It's really hard, guys. Like when you're cooking and baking. Ask Jenna. Remember how many times she said that? She broke a record.
But having the cookie scoop makes all your balls the same size, which is, you know, great.
It's good to have same size balls.
Yeah,
I don't know. I wouldn't know. I don't know a lot about balls, I guess.
it is.
I mean, Jenna, this is not one you could do. You wouldn't be able to
No.
get through it. Any cast member from the office.
Stick, sausage, I mean, it's
All right.
right. We'll go ahead and finish these up and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so the sausages are coated and the sticks are put in. So now it's time to make our pancake mixture.
Okay.
Really easy, okay? Again, you don't have to make homemade pancakes. You can use the box kind if you want to.
I like the box kind. I actually think it tastes really good.
Yeah, the kids
So,
like it too.
I would just use the box, but
They taste better. The homemade ones taste better. They do, okay?
Whatever.
But I have a very discerning palate.
Oh, fancy pants.
All right, so we're going to add the flour, baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, and the sugar. Now we're just gonna whisk this together. All right, so next we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we'll add the egg, buttermilk, the oil, lastly, the vanilla. We will just mix this together.
Mix it together.
That's it.
Okay, so what's the pint glass for?
We're going to transfer the pancake batter into the pint glass because we're going to dip the sticks into, and that way it's a lot easier to get the pancake mixture onto the stick.
I like it. It's smart.
It's smart. So
I feel like that's a kitchen hack that I wouldn't know. I would be like, bleh, bleh, bleh.
So I'm going to transfer this pancake mixture into the pint glass. Just like so. I saw that. You think you're so sneaky.
I don't.
You do.
I don't think I'm sneaky.
Not sneaky. I see everything. Especially when I watch the video back. When I edit it,
oh yeah.
I see everything. So now we're going to talk about oil. So we're going to fry these up. So you need about 1 inch of oil in a deep skillet or like a Dutch oven or something. We're going to heat this oil to a temperature of about 325 degrees. Have it on medium-low heat and let it sit for about 2 minutes and it should come to the right temperature.
Okay.
But if you do have a thermometer, you know, like a little kitchen thermometer or an oil thermometer, you can just check it real quick to make sure you're on target. Another tip is that I would grab some tongs. Most
Hey.
of You can pinch people with them. No, but so you can rotate the pancake on a stick without, you know, obviously the oil's very hot and you don't want it to splatter up on you.
Is it bad that when you said that, I thought tong, ta tong, tong, tong?
Yes. So really easy. All we're going to do is dip our little sausage on a stick in the pancake mixture.
Okay.
And you want to kind of rotate it around to get it, you know, lightly coated. And then we're going to set it into the oil and we'll quickly do the other one.
So the whole thing with the stick goes in the oil. Okay.
Yep, exactly. So we're doing about 4 at a time. And by the time we're done with the last one, we should be rotating the first one because these cook really quick. These cook in like a minute.
Time to flip?
Let's see. Yep. You want to have them like, you know, a good brown color, like lightly brown, just like a pancake.
Oh my God, I am not going to be good at flipping. I can already tell.
So we're going to let these finish cooking. Like I said, they take about 1 to 2 minutes depending on how hot your oil is. So just keep an eye on them. So then we're going to set them on a wire rack to kind of dry out.
All right, big guy, step aside. Here we go.
I'm just going to stand over your shoulder judging you.
Just watch, baby. I got this down. Ta-da.
Perfect. All right, set it in.
I was paying attention.
She's doing a great job.
I think somehow, like being Southern, you just know how to fry things.
It's like in your
It's
in
just
your
in my
genes.
jeans.
Now you can check on that first one.
All right,
See.
I'm most nervous about turning them over, honestly. Oh. Ow, I was doing so well.
I know.
I'm not good with tongs. All right, well the first one looks good.
They all look great. And most importantly, they're gonna taste great.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna finish this up and then we'll be back to have a taste test.
Okay.
Our pancake on a stick.
Yay!
All right, we're done. Now we're gonna try our pancake and sausage on a stick.
Look how cute.
Look, we have maple syrup here too.
I made this one.
She made it. She's
I'm
very
like
proud.
really proud of it.
Very proud.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
Mmm, that's so good.
Mm.
You know what I love? It's like sweet and salty. I love sweet and salty combos.
That's actually really good. That's excellent. This reminds me of when I was a kid. I love it.
Reminds you of your childhood.
And the great thing is that you can freeze these. So all these other ones we'll put in the freezer, and then when you're ready to eat them, you just heat them up in the microwave for like 30 to 40 seconds. Wrap them in like a wet paper towel, then you're ready to go. Easy
I love
school
that.
breakfast.
Yum!
So go ahead and give these a try and tag us if you do. And also check out all the new stuff we have on the website. Lots of great recipes, easy dinners, all sorts of stuff. Check it out.
Check it out. We'll be making some more stuff this year. Hope to see you. Mwah!
Bye guys. I mean, everything's better on a stick. Really.
I don't know. That doesn't even make sense.
That's what she said, yeah.
That doesn't
It does make
doesn't make
sense.
sense?
It's dark and gross.
No judgment with your sausage.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry. I was holding on to that. I'm sorry.
She was holding on to it. That's what she said.
That's 2 in a row. This is a family
I'm not
show.
even trying.
Oreo would like you to know she's been working on the website too.
Yes, she
I
has.
type on the computer. Oh, I see you. I see you looking at the sausage. All right. People have said, what's in that mug? It's just tea. Can you see? It's tea.
Just tea.
It is. I love anything that's easy to eat.
Exactly.